Top Secrets of Professional Cleaning. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Everybody needs a clean home to keep our families healthy and happy. But there are those stubborn stains that regular cleaning cannot handle. When those kinds of stains are encountered, people opt to engage the services of a professional. These professionals know their way around getting rid of these stains, leaving your home sparkling and clean, just the way you love it. Hello there and welcome to yet another intriguing blog post concerning the health of the home. We at FastKlean are professionals in what we do, so we have come up with some of the secrets that we use professionally to get rid of stains and clean the house effectively. On our site, we have some more blog posts on cleaning tips like disinfection and cleaning. 2 important things for a healthy home, and cleaning with vinegar may not be always right, amongst other posts. Please stay with us till the end of this video to learn even more about home cleaning and its benefits. So, what exactly are some of these cleaning secrets that we'd like to share with you? Use olive oil to get rid of fingerprints on the surfaces of your home. It's very effective when used on fridges, stainless steel, and other surfaces. Just get a dry, smooth cloth or the eco-friendly and reusable bamboo cleaning cloth and little drops of olive oil, and your surfaces will be back to shine just the way you like it. Use a steam cleaner to get rid of residual products after cleaning. This is a very effective way to get rid of the chemicals that may remain on your surfaces after cleaning and disinfecting. Also, it can be used to remove dirt and soil residue. The steam cleaner works on the principle of using vapor to remove these particles without leaving anything behind. It can even be used to make carpets and rugs fresher. Use white vinegar to remove some tough stains. In one of our blog posts, we discussed that vinegar is not suitable for all surfaces. However, it works perfectly on the suitable ones, making it easier to remove stubborn stains. The process is simple: dampen a clean fiber cloth or the eco-friendly reusable bamboo cleaning cloth with white vinegar and wipe the affected areas. You can let the cloth rest on the area for some time. The high level of acidity in the vinegar helps to break down stubborn stains. Vinegar can be used in various cleaning applications, with the added advantage of being eco-friendly and non-toxic. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know, and please subscribe to our channel to be updated with our new FastKlean videos. Use the vacuum cleaner wisely. Most people believe that using a vacuum cleaner is just about pushing it over the dirt, and the magic happens. Well, there is a little technique to it. Pushing the machine over the dust or dirt does not actually remove the dirt. It simply puts it in the right position. To remove the dirt, one needs to pull it back slowly. Also, if one does not use the vacuum's wand attachment to suck up the dust and dirt first, the machine may end up spreading dirt all around the hard floors you are trying to clean. If you do all these and your machine is not cleaning properly, then maybe you need to get a new one. Using white chalk or cornstarch to get rid of stains. These items don't seem like typical laundry items, but professionals use them effectively to get rid of stains. Rubbing white chalk on grease or oil works, because the chalk is able to absorb the oil and all that remains is to do your normal laundry. Are you out of chalk? Not to worry, cornstarch is a perfect substitute. Simply add a little to a well-mixed solution of white vinegar and water. Use this solution, and the results will speak for themselves. Start at the right places. Most people keep complaining that they have cleaned their homes, but there is still dust and dirt everywhere. The most likely reason is they did not start and end their cleaning in the right places. Starting from the furthest corner from the entrance of the room is a good move. Keep cleaning on your way to the door. You can always start by cleaning the fan, then the tops of surfaces and furniture, then the sheets, and finally the floor. That way, any dust or dirt your cleaning material does not trap, falls to the floor, which is the last place you would clean. There is a saying that goes, "Cleanliness is next to godliness." So, why not try out some of these secrets for cleaning your home and thank us after seeing the results? If we have been able to show you a thing or two, kindly like and share this post, subscribe to our channel, and let us know your views and comments. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out clean your home with these simple tips. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Visit our website FastKlean.co.uk for more ideas. Also, we would like to invite you to join our online seminars to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Choose your date in the description below.